Hey there, I'm Jordie. I love art and I'm excited to share with you today about one of my favorite art forms, and that is a mosaic. Mosaic is an art form that utilizes tiny pieces of different materials to make a bigger pattern. You might see this mostly on floors with different tile patterns, but also in different kinds of artwork. For mosaics, you can use just about anything. I have gathered here some different magazines, some old birthday party streamers, some miscellaneous papers, a pair of scissors, and you'll also need glue or tape. With the help of a grown-up, you can cut different pieces from magazines, from old wrapping paper, anything that you have to make your mosaic tiles. I've got my glue poured out into a dish, and I'm going to use a paintbrush to spread it, but you don't have to do that. You can use whatever you have at home. Sketch out a brief design, and once you're done, we're ready to get started. mosaic is done, set it to the side and let it dry. Clean up your workspace so it's nice and neat for next time. Once your piece is dry, you can turn it around to write your name and today's date on it. And then you're all set. Thank you so much for creating with me today. I hope you had as much fun as I did. If you have a journal at home or some paper, write down your favorite part of making a mosaic so you can look back on it later. Thank you!